Hey guys, it's Billy and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you have not been here before. So ColourPop actually just sent me a bunch of like yellow and gold products, like down to mascaras and gel glitters. So I decided I wanted to do a kind of golden, glittery, sunny look. And it's also like 80 degrees out right now, which makes it even more convenient because I'm going to look so glowy outside. And yeah, I'm psyched about it. I have one yellow eyeball. It kind of looks more green, but I think I look like a cat lady. You see it, right? Yeah. So, along with that, I figured I would record it because, hi, I've been gone for like 12 years, more so like a month and a half, but I've been gone for a good minute. So yeah, I'm really behind on videos. I have like 12 million videos I need to do. And I'm sorry I've been gone for 12 years. I've been like hanging out with my boyfriend a lot, and we just kind of like adventure around and watch things, and yeah, we just chill. So I haven't really been home very often, I don't know, if maybe like once every now and then. And I'm showing him anime, so that's pretty lit. We've watched all of Shimonetta, if you guys haven't seen it. It's like a really funny anime, and I suggest you go check it out. I've actually been trying to get this pink color out of my hair for the past like month now, and it won't come out. I haven't been trying like that hard, but I've been doing like baking soda and stuff, and look how dark it is still. I'm gonna be real upset if I have to bleach it, but you know, if need be, I will do that. I'm gonna... Ooh, camera. We don't need to be that zoomed in. You guys like my eyebrows? I didn't do them, or I did them off camera because I figured you guys didn't want to watch me do them, but I just use this. If it'll focus. It's not gonna focus. But it's the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Brunette. It's all I use. I just put this on my eyebrows and then conceal them, and they look good all the time. Alright, so we're gonna do eyeballs. Too zoomed in. This is like a good... You guys can see. Okay, so in my BoxyCharm, I got like a little eyeshadow primer sample. It's called Get a Grip Insurance Eyeshadow Primer, and are they called Pure? I'm sorry if I'm not correct, but I'm just going to take a decent amount of that, and this Cover FX mirror going on, and just... So, I'm just going to take the James Charles palette, the Morphe James Charles palette. Sorry, there's like a little bit of glue on it. What am I, a mess? Yes, of course. And I'm going to take this yellow because goddamn, it's like the best yellow I've ever used. It's magnificent. I haven't used a lot of the other colors, other than like the purples, but this yellow is magnificent. I like these reds, they're pretty. Okay, so it would have been smarter to use a packing brush, but I wasn't really thinking about it whenever I was doing it. And like, that's like just a problem that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna take a packing brush and go in. That's so much better. Okay, sorry I was dumb for a second. And I'm just going to take the rest of my finger and like pat it down. I don't even really know what I'm doing yet with it. But besides being very yellow. Like I really never think out any of my makeup looks. I'm just going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Porcelain Beige. I'm going to clean up the rest later. I just wanted to put down the glitter on this little like cut crease that I did. I'm going to take the Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter in the color Puffin and put it on the center of my eyelid. So I'm just going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and this other Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer? Yes. I'm trying the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation in the color Fair 01. Okay. It started to storm, which is hilarious. So like I'm not going outside whatsoever. My camera's still dying, but guys, I'm really living it out. Like I'm just gonna let it die. We're gonna see how far we can go with just recording on completely dead. I'm just gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and do my under eyes real quick. I like how I really am testing my camera right now. Like, how long will it record before it dies? The Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder. It's called Mad About It. And just kind of press it everywhere on my life. And do my under eye. I'm just going to take a small brush and that same yellow shade I've been using. Because I'm going to put a gold underneath it too. Okay, so now that I have the yellow down, I'm going to take this Jelly Much eyeshadow by ColourPop called Photosynthesis. It has a cute little play on words. It has like a really nice jelly consistency to it. Ooh. It's like a very true gold color. So that's all for the eyes for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of contour. Okay guys, I went ahead and contoured the rest of my face because my camera died, and she still be dying because I charged it for like 10 minutes. And I also just gotta take that off. I think my contour came out really nice today. I know it looks darker on the side of my face. You know, maybe it is, but I swear in this lighting it doesn't look like it. You know, maybe it does. But that's besides the point. So I'm going to take Havana by Buxom. It's their Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush. Cute. Ooh, it's very like kind of mauve-y. I did not expect that from the packaging. And I'm going to take this little brush. Ooh. I took way too much. Way too much. Those face sunburnt looks. We're going for it. Yes. Yep. Oh my god. Let me just... Next up is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Blush in Thimble. It's a very nice kind of like natural... I'm going to layer a couple highlighters as well. I have the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. That's what it's called. And I'm going to put this over everything because it's glorious and it deserves to be everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, but this highlighter is like insane. Like we can definitely just talk about that right now because what? That's pretty unreal, honestly. Like, I don't understand how a highlighter could be this glowing. And now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty one and just like take it and just top it off a little. This doesn't make any sense. I'm just going to take the Blood Sugar palette, and I always do my fake freckles with this palette. I normally use, I use the color Ouch. There's like a hole in it. Jeffrey's just like, bitch. But what I'm most excited about is ColourPop sent me a yellow mascara, and it's called Yellow Goodbye. I haven't opened it yet. It just has like really cute packaging, and I've never had like a colorful mascara really, and I want to wear it. So I don't have an eyelash curler, which is tragic, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. Here. Okay. So I'm just going to take the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss. And I always lose my, mirrors. I just put them down somewhere weird. Is it gonna burn? I'm scared. Last minute decision. Just a little bit under the nose. Or a lot of it. But just on like this bit. Yeah. And that is it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me do this kind of like natural-ish but also sunny look. I don't know, I just call everything natural even though I look like this half the time. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll be posting way more videos coming soon. And yeah, bye guys.
Shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me